Hi there, little explorers, and welcome to Timeless Tales for Kids. Hey there! Have you ever run away from something you knew you were supposed to do? Maybe it was a tough conversation, a big responsibility, or something that just felt scary? Well, today, we're diving into a story from the Bible about a man named Jonah, someone who tried to run away from God's plan, and let's just say, it didn't go quite as he expected. This is a story of storms, a giant fish, and second chances. Let's jump in. Jonah was a prophet. That means he was someone God would speak to, and Jonah would share God's messages with people. One day, God gave Jonah a mission. God said, Jonah, go to the city of Nineveh. The people there are doing terrible things. Tell them to stop and turn back to me. Sounds simple, right? Well, not quite. You see, Jonah didn't like Nineveh at all. He thought the people there were beyond saving. They were known for being violent and cruel. So instead of obeying God, Jonah ran away. Jonah headed to a port and bought a ticket for a ship going in the complete opposite direction to a place called Tarshish. He thought if he could get far enough away, maybe God would forget all about it. Spoiler alert, you can't outrun God. While Jonah was asleep on the ship, a huge storm hit. The wind howled, the waves crashed, and the sailors were terrified. They cried out to their gods. Nothing helped. Then they found Jonah sleeping and said, Wake up, pray to your God. Jonah realized, This storm is because of me. He told the sailors, I'm running away from God. Throw me into the sea and the storm will stop. The sailors didn't want to do it, but eventually they tossed Jonah overboard. Now, here comes the wild part. As Jonah sank into the sea, a huge fish, some people say a whale, came and swallowed him whole. Crazy, right? Jonah was inside the belly of this giant fish for 3 whole days and nights. Imagine the smell, the darkness, the fear. But it was there, in the most unexpected place. He said, God, I messed up. I'm sorry, I'll do what you asked. And God heard him. So, after 3 days, the fish spit Jonah out onto dry land. Jonah was alive, given another chance. This time, Jonah listened. He went to Nineveh, walked through the city, and told the people, In 40 days, God will destroy this city unless you change your ways. And guess what? They listened. From the king all the way down to the farmers, they fasted, prayed, and turned away from their evil behavior. God saw their hearts had changed, and he forgave. Here's the twist. Jonah wasn't happy. He actually got mad. God, he said, this is why I didn't want to come here. I knew you would forgive them. I knew you'd be kind. These people don't deserve it. Jonah sat outside the city, sulking. So God gave him a little object lesson. God made a plant grow quickly to give Jonah shade from the sun. Jonah was happy about the plant, but the next day, the plant died. Jonah was upset again, and God said, You're sad about a plant that lived for 1 day, but you don't care about a whole city full of people and animals that I created? Shouldn't I show them mercy? And that's how the story ends, with a powerful question. God showed Jonah, and us, that no one is beyond forgiveness. You can't outrun God's plan. And even when we mess up, God gives us second chances. Jonah's story isn't just about a guy and a big fish. It's about grace growth and realizing that God's mercy is for everyone, not just the people we like or agree with. So, the next time you're tempted to run from something hard or hold back forgiveness, remember Jonah. And remember the God who never gives up on us, even when we try to swim the other way.